A total of 10 voters representing 5 families left the BJP to join the Tipra Motha party. The new inductees were formally welcomed into the party fold during a ceremony by MDC Rajeshwar Debbarma, who officially handed them the party flags. The political shift took place at Srinivas Para under the Kathalbari Village Committee, falling under the jurisdiction of Kulai-Champahour constituency.
BJP party yakare Maharashtra ham jagai Tipra Motha final no khabai khukbai lam sogo. BJP party yakare Maharashtra ham jagai Tipra Motha final no khabai khukbai lam sogo.
Speaking to media personnel after the ceremony, MDC Rajeshwar Debbarma stated that his visit was the fulfillment of a commitment made to the local villages during the high-octane 2026 regional council election campaign.
Srinivas Kathalbari ADC Village, Chini Kulai-Champahour ADC constituency, the assembly was Ambasa assembly constituency, or Chini block president, the Chini block vice president, secretary, chairman Rogotongo, the Chini Buri state vice president, the Buri chairman of the leaders of Tongo, Khorang village committee vice chairman Tongo, Kamini, Okra Chakra, Taku Bukurok Tinor Kutum Lajak, or election Sikang, Kogri Tangman Tongo, election Judi family Yagula Sungoro, Paran Borwaka, my copper saline and baginai, Sung Kogri Tangjak, the Gas Kogri Mutabek, the Suntinor of Hamani Bumar, or Chini Kahukta Buku Songbai, Singoro, my copper saline any election Pamani Yagulo, or Prugamuno, Kanatantini or Sini Borok. Sini taku kahamno borok buku kahamno borok purbe agiwo BJP khai tongoni sini takun mungtang komo koino mohan Tripura bini ti phangbai no tini 5 family 10 voter sini party o join khlaiga sini bubograni thanchani chobawo sini hayungo sini tiprasa sini borok dofa sini tiprasa dofa o hayungo khorok tisei tongnani sini je greater Tripura land sini ohani sini tiprasa no thangi tongnani chobani or Tancho Boro Kini joining like
Your report, Chini Khorang.